Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 6th September 2021 in the international market. Job creation for August was a huge disappointment in US labor market. Economy added 2.35 lakh new jobs versus economists' expectation was 7.2 lakh new jobs. On a positive note, unemployment fell to 5.2% from July's 5.4% as expected. US 10-year closed 4 basis points up at 133 and 30-year also 4 basis points up at 194 on Friday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $72.61 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 70 to 73. In the currency market, dollar index DXY is at 92.12. Dollar index today's range seems to be 91.91 to 92.51. Remember our scenario analysis for DXY? As we had mentioned, the big miss in the NFP will force DXY towards 92 levels. DXY indeed has crossed 92 levels and is now at 92.12. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 646. USD INR with a high of 73.15 closed at 73.02. Support for USD INR exists at 72.85, whereas resistance is at 73.15. Trading idea. The big fear of weaker DXY has realized after the weaker non-farm payrolls. The trend may continue on Monday as well, which will strengthen rupee. Hence, do not try to go long with the holding USD INR positions. With weaker DXY and with no concrete support from RBI, we feel USD INR may go below 73 on a closing basis also. In the domestic market, government bonds closed higher because investors stepped up purchases after firm demand at the weekly GSEC auctions. 563 2026 closed at 557 versus 558 the previous trading day. 664 2035 closed at 668 versus 671 the previous trading day. Night research team had misjudged 664 GS 2035 rally as we squared off the positions too early and did not anticipate this 1 rupee move. Market activity on 3rd September 2021, which is Friday. Public sector banks were net sellers with 3,555 crore. Private sector banks were also net sellers in GSEC with 1,437 crores. But mutual funds were net buyers with 1,975 crores. Surprisingly, the actual demand came from others with net purchases of rupees 5,273 crore GSECs, and we feel there may be an RBI intervention to bring the yields down and back to 615 levels. 3rd September 2021 GSEC auction analysis. 426-2023 cutoff came at 407. 610-2031 cutoff at 617. 676-2061 cutoff at 702. No green shoe were exercised, no devolvement, no cancellations. Strong firm demand at the auction was seen as expected. This firm demand has brought the yields down in the secondary market as well, causing 610 GS 2031 to fall at 616. Trading strategy. 610-2031 is now at 616. As our research team was anticipating, 610-2031 has touched 615 already, but 615 was not breached on intraday as well as on a closing basis. A strong resistance is present at 615, but if it closes below 615, then it will open the doors for 610. Again, with caution, we have asked our clients to lighten the positions and we will still maintain the same stance. No new trading positions for now until new range is identified. Trading range for 610-2031 would be 615 to 621. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with a new episode of Night Snippets.